Some of the ministers of God say that there is nothing like heaven, that if you die, you are not going to heaven, that here on earth is heaven. You know, when something like this will come up, we are not coming to attack the person or to insult the person, but we are here to correct that error. There are some Christians who are never that strong in Christianity. When they hear this kind of message, they will be deceived. Some of the preachers of the gospel say that heaven at last is scam. There is nothing like heaven at last. If a believer die, it will not go to heaven. There is nothing like heaven. That here on earth, we are in heaven. Child of God, don't be deceived. Why I want to do this video is because of many Christians who are never that strong in their faith. We deceived by this teaching. Listen to me, let me tell you. Read your Bible. Luke chapter 23 from verse 39. They hanged Jesus on the cross with two criminals, two thieves. And one of the criminals was mocking Jesus Christ on the cross. The other one was rebuking the criminal that is mocking Jesus. And the other one said to Jesus, remember me when you come to your kingdom. That one was telling Jesus, remember me. He's not telling Jesus to deliver him on that cross because he knows that he will die. He said to Jesus to remember me in that kingdom, that is heaven, so that he will make heaven. That is what that young man was telling Jesus on the cross. And Jesus said to him, today, me and you will be in paradise today. Why Jesus said to that young man, today, me and you will be in paradise? Because Jesus knows that in next few hours, they will die on this cross. And when they will die, he will take this young man to that paradise. That paradise, it is not on this earth. You not go see that paradise on this earth. That paradise is a spiritual world. It's in heaven. Now you that is saying that it's nothing like heaven, that earth is heaven. Where is that paradise that Jesus was telling that man? Jesus said to him, me and you will be in paradise. Today, in the time of Jesus, they know there is heaven and hellfire. That is why that young man was telling Jesus, remember me. Remember me. He was not telling Jesus to remember him on this earth. No, he was telling Jesus to remember him concerning eternity, spiritual world. And Jesus said to him, today me and you will be in that paradise. Jesus said, John chapter 14, 1 to 3. Jesus said, in my Father's house, there are many mansions. If not so, I will not tell you. So Jesus was telling them, there are many mansions in my Father's house. I'm going to prepare you a place. I will come and receive you by myself. Jesus was saying, in my Father's house. Where is in that Father's house? It is in heaven. There are many mansions there. There are many mansions there. As mansions on this earth, mansions is in heaven. Even in spiritual world, there are many kingdoms in spiritual world. If the spiritual world will have their kingdom, how much more God, who created heaven and earth, lives in heaven? And we are his children, and he has a place for us to stay in heaven with him. Child of God, don't be deceived. Believe in Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Forget what people are saying on social media. Don't be deceived. There is heaven, there is hellfire. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.